Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 5. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Let us take the let us t- write the number 1 and 10. That is 1. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 3. This is 3. Then 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now, what is the greatest prime number? We know that number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Therefore, we got this number 1. Right? Now, what is the greatest prime number? We will find the prime number. The first prime number is 2. This is the prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 5 is also prime number. 5 is also prime number. And 7 is also prime number. Right? And this is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are composite numbers. The question is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? We see that the greatest prime number is 7. Right? Here you see the greatest prime number is 7. Right? Therefore, the answer will be the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. The greatest the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 between 1 and 10 1 and 10 and 10 is 7. Right? This is the solution. Here you see again, that is we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? And the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Therefore, the question is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Therefore, the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. This is the solution of question number 5.